Guys in that tree there. One guy just flew in and there's another guy in there somewhere. I can only see one guy on the very left hand edge, about 2/3 of the way up. Oh, we've done with the peanuts. Let's do some suet. Someone's still watching me from up there. Right, where's that last honking sausage? Oof. He's got the eye on that. There's one for you as well. Don't worry about it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Got it. So, that's where you buried that? Oh, that shows a lack of imagination. Or you're in a rush. Go on, get it. Oh, throw that a bit further. There you go. There's some sausage there. Have a quick look. Some peanuts, and some suet, and I'm holding a sausage. Oh, he found one on the way. I've got a bit closer to you. Right, let's just pitch all of the sausage, so I'm not holding it. Yep, other youngster can come in and have a look. I'll wipe the schmoo off my finger.